car. Holy shit. Woo! Woo! Been way too long since I drove this thing. It needs to come out and have some fun. Definitely needs to come out and have some fun.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
YouTube, how's everybody out there doing today? Needless to say, guys, I am very happy, very happy to be in Ghost, driving Ghost around. We're actually running a few errands right today. We got downshift here. There we go. That turbo whistle. That is a freaking awesome, guys. Freaking awesome. This car is running freaking phenomenal, not gonna lie. It is running so freaking great. And I also want to tell you guys, I know I didn't really get a lot of reaction to the BMR anti-roll bar that I have on it now, and it's been driving great. I can't lie, like the roll bars, it seems really stiff in the back, it's really stable. It doesn't seem like the back end wants to, like, I don't know, swerve a lot, driving down the road, making left-hand turns, right-hand turns, etc., etc. Anti-roll bar link will be in the description, and there's also a discount code there for you as well. If you want anything from BMR Suspension, guys, look them guys up. They got a ton of stuff for the 4th Gen F bodies. You know what I mean? Ton of stuff. So look them up. But other than that, the anti-roll bar is working great. Has extremely good street manners. I'm very happy with it as of right now. I cannot wait to get this car down to Cecil County or any other track for that matter, and put her to the test, see what she does. You know what I mean? I think this roll bar is really going to help a lot, man, a lot. We're running some errands today. I have to go out to Best Buy actually. So I figured what would be a good day to do that. It's beautiful, it's sunny, it is freezing its ass off. It's like 21 degrees or something. Very cold right now. But I figured what better day to break out the Trans Am, get the old oil E85 training fluids moving, than to take her out for a little bit of a spin and do my errands in the car. Just enjoy it a little bit. It's been gosh, it's been a couple, maybe 2 or 3 months since I've actually driven this car. And I tell you what, after not driving it for 6 freaking years, being broke down, and then getting into it for the first time, right now, feels like that all over again, guys. It feels like that all over again because of the fact that I just love this damn car that much. This is my baby. Love this thing. If this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor, go down in the description below. At the very end, there's a whole bunch of sponsors for this car. 1998 Firebird Formula single turbo, Golen engines, 370 built short block, SPS cylinder heads, Huron Speed, all them guys. Graciously appreciate those guys for helping me build this car. Go check them out, and I'll tag the video right here of maybe the build or something of that nature of this car. That way you guys see what I'm talking about, you know what I mean? Alrighty. Alright guys, just got out of Best Buy. Picked up a whole bunch of goodies. I'll tell you what I got. So I got a USB Type-C open box multi-port adapter. I got a 10-foot USB Type-C to USB connector and an HDMI connector. And I'll tell you why I got all this stuff. Actually, we need this guy here. I'll tell you why real quick why I got it. So I'm with Metro PCS on my cell phone service, right guys? And they just upgraded my plan, and I can now stream live movies for free from Amazon Prime and Prime Video, which I'm stupid happy about, to be honest. So I needed an HDMI to USB Type-C converter in order to use my phone and connect it to my TV and all that other dumb shit. To view movies on my television. Plus, I figured at the same time I'd get another charger, because I've been using a portable charger for a long time now, because there's a lot of dust and dirt inside of here. If you guys ever have a problem charging your phone, get a little pick, just a little pick. You can actually use, actually, I have an idea for you guys. You can actually use the pick that comes with, this is an S8 by the way, an S8 Samsung. That has that little stupid SD card tray in it. You can actually use this to go in to your charge port and clean it out. Clean all that dust and debris out of there. I'm doing it now, actually. It actually can be used for that as well. Very useful tool. I actually keep it in my holder here with me. That way I don't lose the thing, because that's the only way you can get to your SD card in your S8. So I ended up buying a new charger, so I can now, instead of using the wireless charger, I can just plug it back in again, and I've already tested it at the shop, and it works perfect. 10 feet of wire is a lot, guys, not gonna lie. Oh, look at that. And we have full charge, guys. Very happy about that, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, very happy, very happy. All right, let's get driving, guys. Like I said, just a nice little driving around video. We're actually on our way up. We're gonna get my youngest boy, Skylar. You probably have seen him in a few videos of mine. Notably, when I got pulled over and had my license taken away from me, by the way. I'll link that video right here. You guys can go check that out. Actually, the ending's pretty funny. But we're going up. He wants me to take him and get a haircut. So we're gonna go do that, get him a haircut. I guess he wants to look all fresh and stuff. I went into the barber shop in Ephrata, and I was like, yo, I gotta set up an appointment to get my boy's haircut, because he wants it cut. And he's getting off of school here soon. But my buddy there, Jay, he's like, yo, looks like your beard needs trimmed up a little bit. And I was like, dang it. I was like, how long is this gonna take, man? How long is this gonna take? And he's like, oh, a couple minutes. So I ended up getting my beard cut and my hair cut and everything like that. So now, since I'm done doing my running around, I'm gonna go pick up Sky and take him in the car. I'm gonna pick him up in the bird, because he really likes this car too. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick him up in the car, take him down to the barber shop, get his hair cut. Guys, I got Skylar in the car. We're gonna go to Seppi's barber shop, I guess it's called, in Ephrata. Have him get his hair cut. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
It's gonna be fun day.
A fun day? You only get your haircut.
Oh yeah, fun time.
What kind of haircut are you gonna get?
I was thinking short.
Like how short? Are you gonna get a fade?
Like I was thinking like a fade and then have like a design or something.
A design?
Yeah, I mean.
Oh,
hey.
guys, you're gonna. I guess we're gonna have to show you the design after it's done. All right, well, let's head there, boss.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, let's go. What's cool?
That little.
Oh, the little go-kart thingy.
That's actually really cool.
Yeah, it is pretty cool.
Ladies first.
Get out of here. Get in there. How's it look? You like it? Here, show everybody this lightning bolt. Oh my god, you're crazy.
I was thinking that the zigzag would actually be different because I got one last time and it was like.
Well, the beautiful thing about hair is it grows back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then try to have to say again and get another.
Alright, hop in. Is the door gonna hit? Nah, you're good. Alright. We are back at the shop. The day is done. Did a few things today. Got some stuff accomplished on the outside of the shop, basically. But we do still have tons of stuff here to do. We still got to get the engine in here. Got a Trailblazer SS for a lot of work. Got a couple cars outside that need work, and a couple trainees to build as well. So we're gonna get that all taken care of this week here and on to the next. But if you guys enjoyed the video, driving around the good old Transgender Am, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, DL Performing the Racing. Facebook is also DL Performing the Racing. Deuces, guys.